Hello train viewers, this is Train Spire Jake, not so my dad's son, and we've got something extremely rare with the 15-car Thomas train. Yep, with its route from Dallas to Houston. And here we go. Well, see, and enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. No. TWR8 and Flying Train 18.
It's a sharp turn for that train.
I know, that's because it has 15 cars. Okay, let's follow its route, okay, Dad? Let's follow its route. Okay? We're entering near a big fire. See more trains across the world videos. See on 13 when we see these exact same two engines pulling a different train with the route from Boston all the way to Albany, the capital of New York. Boston to Albany. You'll see that on part 13 coming up in quite a while. You'll come and see that. See that? In April 2011. Today, the 1st of February. Bye!